Want to start a Shopify store step by step? First, go to shopify.com and click Start Free Trial. Enter your email, password, and store name. Then answer the quick setup questions about what you sell and your current sales volume. You'll land in your new Shopify admin dashboard after that. If you'd rather jump straight into products in the dashboard, click Products and then Add Product. Enter your product title, detailed description, pricing, and upload clear high quality images. Set up inventory tracking and shipping options as you go. When you're ready to style your storefront, head to Online Store, open Themes, click Customize, and tweak your layout, colors, and fonts to match your brand. Perfect for customizing before you open your doors. Keep in mind, you'll also need to configure your payment gateway under Settings, then click Payments, and set up shipping rates under Settings, then go to Shipping. Don't forget to add a custom domain in Settings, and that's all it takes to launch a Shopify store from scratch. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.